Why does the name God trigger so many people? For some, it's because of church hurt, where people didn't truly reflect his love. For others, it's because of misconceptions, pain, or deception. But the truth is, our Creator is not distant or angry. He is loving, kind, and deeply desires a relationship with us. God pulled me out of darkness and deception, and I've seen him work miracles in my life and in the lives of others. He is real, and his goodness is mind-blowing. It's not about religion. It's about relationship. Many people try to fill the holes in their hearts with sex, drugs, shopping, achievements, or even people. But nothing can fill that emptiness except God. Even many scientists believe in him, because when you look at creation, it points to a creator. Rejecting him is really rejecting part of ourselves, because we are made in his image. Your journey with him is personal, but we grow and find hope in each other's testimonies. Jesus said in John 10:10, I have come that they may have life and have it to the full. He doesn't just want to save us for eternity. He wants us to experience heaven on earth with him now.